Good Wednesday! Today we're making minestrone soup. Boy, it got complicated. I tell ya, I was just going to do this Hunt's 1964 minestrone soup from a print ad I found on the interweb. The Hunt's recipe called for frozen peas and carrots. I'm not a big fan of peas. I like Italian green beans. I like snow peas, but I don't like those little green peas. I look up ingredients for minestrone and I come across all of these copycat recipes for Olive Garden. Everything's a copycat for Olive Garden minestrone. I start getting upset. Let me put this back in the freezer for now. They're frozen collard greens. I'll explain in a minute. Thank you. Am I the only one who sits at their computer screen and yells, "That's not right"? Have you seen pictures of minestrone from Olive Garden? You go on Yelp, and you check out Yelp reviews for Olive Garden, and you can find pictures of the actual minestrone soup. The problem I had with a lot of these copycat recipes is they cut the carrots into cubes. That's not right. They're julienne. Just look at the pictures. I'm screaming at the screen, the carrots are not cubed. The zucchini isn't cubed. So what we're going to do today, we're going to take the basis of that 1964 Hunt's recipe, and we're just going to change it up because that recipe did not have zucchini. It did have onion, celery, and garlic. I'm not even sure there's onion in the Olive Garden recipe, but a lot of people put it in. The Hunt's recipe calls for a teaspoon of rosemary. That's it. Salt and pepper. We're going to go with Italian seasoning. It's more robust, and it has rosemary in there. Basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme, parsley, garlic. If you want your soup to be vegan, substitute it for vegetable broth. And the recipe for the Hunt's does not call for northern beans, but they are in the Olive Garden. I'm going to put the recipe that we're doing today in the description and the original Hunt's minestrone recipe. And it gives us a chance to use range topper. I haven't used it in a long time, and the soup will look very nice in a white pot. That's so silly. Collard greens. If you look at the Olive Garden copycat recipes, most of them put baby spinach in. And I don't think they put baby spinach in the Olive Garden soup. I looked at a lot of Yelp pictures, and what I'm coming up with was collard greens. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. 1964 Olive Garden minestrone. We gotta try it. I only put in 6 cups of water, not 2.5 quarts, which would be 10. Here we go. It's delicious. I didn't put enough salt, maybe. I held back on the salt. The recipe called for 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and I put 1 teaspoon in. Where's the where's the zucchini? You gotta be kidding me. They're floating on top. Zucchini. Zucchini. Let's try zucchini now. It may need more salt. Okay, here we go. Zucchini. It's tender with a little crunch. Pasta's fine in my opinion. Everyone's entitled to my opinion. Are there any northern beans in northern beans? Northern beans and collard greens. That's very good. I was afraid that if I put, I'm using a 5-quart range topper. You might have to use an 8-quart. I like the tomato taste, and it's a little thick. It has a little bit of thickness to it. Not sorry. Maybe I should have put in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Let's find out. I'm always a little cautious with the salt. You can always add it in, but you can't take it out. Oh yeah, the salt helps. In the beginning I didn't mention stewed tomatoes, and I forgot to mention Italian green beans. Can I get some breadsticks over here? What bothers me again about the Copycat videos is they put American green beans, and that's not what's in here. Thanks for joining me this
Wednesday.
That's it. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.